How to fix games keep crashing on Windows. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you 3 simple steps to fix this problem. First of all, click on search icon and type cmd and run it as an administrator. Type a command sfc /scan now, enter, and once you have done it, just restart your computer. The next step is right-click on the Windows icon and go to Settings. Then click on System and go to Power and Sleep. Here you'll find the additional power settings on right and select Change Plan Settings to the High Performance and close the window. Another step is right-click on the Windows icon and go to Run. Type sysdm.cpl command and click on OK. A new window of System Properties will open. Go to its Advanced Options. Go to the settings under the Performance and select Adjust for the best performance option and click OK. After doing this, just restart your computer and see the changes. This is how you can fix the crashing of your game on Windows. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.